Hey guys, this is the BMX Rider 921, and we're gonna go check out my garage / storage, and I'm just gonna show you around and stuff. So basically what I do down here is just paint and sandbags and remodel them and stuff. Like this used to be a crappy little mongoose. And so I took off all the stickers and repainted it. Instead of red, I did black. And my friend wanted it more like BMX style, so because he didn't want to have a mongoose, so I tried to make it look more BMX. And then there's I'll show you the forks for it. There's the forks. A little clear coat paint. That's the color I use on the forks. And this is my DK BMX bike. I'm not sure which DK it is because I got it from some guy, but I repainted it, and it was before I knew actually how to even paint, so it kind of chipped off right there. It used to be blue, kind of chipped off, and the paint was all scratched up. That's why I painted it. Chipped there, and then it's kind of dirty. I don't know if the camera even picks up the dirtiness, but it's really, really dirty. And so before I knew how to spray paint, I did it, so it came out bad, and I didn't put clear coat, so that's how it gets dirty so fast. And then I ordered some new pedals from Dan's Comp, and then a new seat, a plastic one with a new seat post, and then I ordered a new sprocket. This sprocket's white on part of it right there. And then these are just little cheap Walmart bikes I had those before I got into BMX. Just the little ones that I would ride around on. And then here's the one I'm working on right now. My friend Schwinn. He wants it like BMX. See, I didn't send this sticker yet. So Schwinn right there. And the other pedals we couldn't get off, so I'm just going to tape it up. He wants it like mine, similar to mine, but instead of pink and white, he wants it orange and white. But yeah, my new grips, ODI long neck pink with the flangs or whatever they're called. And little chopper bike right there. Oh, and then my friend for his Schwinn. Here's his orange one. He's probably going to get some street tires. Here's his white one. So yeah, I'll have some unboxings and stuff from Dan's Comp and stuff like that. So if you want to check out my other channel, it's on mini bikes, like pocket bikes and go-karts and stuff like that. My other channel is The Unit 921, no spaces. But yeah. So if you like BMX, subscribe to me and like. But yeah, thanks.